Chapter 8 Who Loves the Trees Best? Word Bank. Spring, season between winter and summer. Ripe, mature. Tint, color shade. A. Choose the correct option. 1. Who gives green leaves to the trees? A. Summer. B. Winter. C. Spring. Answer: C. Spring. 2. Who gives flowers to the trees? A. Summer. B. Winter. C. Spring. Answer: A. Summer. 3. Who gives ripe fruits to the trees? A. Fall, autumn. B. Summer. C. Winter. Answer: A. Fall, autumn. C. Write the words with similar meaning. Beautiful, nice. Ripe, mature. Harsh, strong. Answer: reply. Trees, big plants. D. Write the opposite words. Beautiful, ugly. Love, hate. Best, worst. Ripe, raw. Answer question. F. Answer the following questions. 1. Who gives green leaves to the trees? Answer: the spring gives green leaves to the trees. 2. Who gives flowers to the trees? Answer: the summer gives flowers to the trees. 3. Who gives ripe fruits to the trees? Answer: the fall gives ripe fruits to the trees. 4. Who gives rest to the trees? Answer: the harsh winter gives rest to the trees.